What would you say the responsibilities of a senior dev are when it comes to onboarding a junior developer?
So I think mentorship is a really important part, and it's expected. I think if you're a senior, at least it is the companies where I've worked that you have had some mentorship experience. I think as far as onboarding, I think it's something that ideally the entire team is contributing to. Even someone junior who comes in and says, "Hey, like this particular piece was like hard to understand," they're helping shape what the onboarding will look like for the next person.
Mm.
Yeah, I think I think everyone should help onboard someone new. But as far as being a senior, maybe if it's been discussed with your manager before that you're going to be like informally or like basically mentoring, supervising somebody, then yeah, it's definitely a responsibility to do so. But yeah, are there any specific questions related to that?
Possibly, but we can move on though. Certainly, I like what I like about onboarding folks is that it highlights again in my head all the ugly corner cases in our build setup or whatever it is we're using that you just kind of take for granted after
Processes,
three
yeah.
months, 6 months, 9 months. Oh yeah, that script fails every other time or whatever it is, or that machine has to be rebooted twice a week, whatever happens to be. Right, things you sort of get used to over the years you were there, perhaps. Whereas someone new comes in, they say,
Yeah,
why does that machine catch fire at 2 o'clock every day? And you're like, oh, whatever it
yeah.
is, and it just brings it back to light again. These things you sort of live with.